Hey class, it's Miss Worsham. I just want to show you what we're doing this week for week 1, August 3rd through the 8th. So you can see that we have directions here. That's how you got to this video. This week we are going to be doing an About Me assignment. When you click on this, it'll open a new Google slide. Make sure that that's the one that you use and you don't make a copy. On here you have text boxes so you can type your name and tell us all about yourself in these different spots. You'll see that some of these have a spot to insert a picture or insert a video. All you need to do is go to insert and then choose image. You can upload or search, and then you can also just add a video straight from YouTube. Super simple. So that's how we're going to get to know each other this week. Please do a really good job. Next week we are going to share and learn about each other and do a project with that. Once you've completed number 1, I want you to go to number 2, and this is our introduction to Flipgrid. So when you click on Flipgrid, it'll open in a new tab. You'll need to log in with your school account. Okay, and then when you scroll down, you'll see directions. Welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below to open the camera and start a video. So you'll click there. You can add filters, you can add stickers, make it your own, make it fun, tell us about yourself, tell us something cool, and make sure that you submit that one. Okay, and then our last one is our Annabelle Lee, which is through Nearpod. So when you click on Nearpod, that lesson will open. You'll also need to log in with your Google account for school. Or actually it'll just tell your name and then hit join session, and that will pull it right up. The very most important thing that I need for you guys to do is when you click on view assignment, yours is going to look a little different than mine, but you need to click turn in when you're finished. This way your parents and I and you know that you've actually completed that assignment. So this week, for week 1, you need to do 1, 2, and 3, and do your best to work. I know it's been a while, but just do your best, and I will see you in time. Bye.